Hi, this is Indigo Child, and I will be talking about the 10 Commandments of eating flowers. The first commandment I follow by is only eating flowers that you know are good to eat. This does not mean eating poisonous flowers, but eating flowers that you do not know. Identify the flower and know if it's poisonous or not. The same rule goes with looking at snakes or going near them. Know them, and usually if you do know them and know they're not poisonous, it's not going to mess with them. But with eating flowers, identify before deciding to eat or not eating them. Please use common sense when following this rule. Second rule is another common sense statement. Do not assume that restaurants offer flowers that are edible that they put on your plate. It's sometimes just put there for decoration, it is not there for eating. Third rule is eating flowers that are grown organically. If it's not grown organically, I suggest not eating it. It's not very well to do because a lot of chemicals can be harmful to you and to the plant. The next rule is same as rule number 3 almost. Do not eat flowers from florists, nurseries, garden centers, or public gardens. I've seen people think they could buy flowers from Walmart or Lowe's, and you cannot eat it. It's not very suggestible. I mean, you can. You don't know what they put in it or how they've grown it. They can put pesticides on it and everything else. It's best to grow it yourself, grab your seeds, and start from there. Rule number 5, do not eat flowers if you have hay fever, asthma, or allergies. If you want to eat flowers, talk to your doctor first before deciding to eat them. It's often the best idea to do. And the next rule is rule number 6. It kind of goes with other rules I've already mentioned. Do not pick any flowers from high traffic areas. A lot of places with high traffic usually pollutes the flower in its own self with the exhaust that cars give off. The next rule is only eating the petals of the flower unless say so from what you study or your doctor has mentioned. And on to another note is rule number 8, an often common mistake I've seen. Not all flowers that smell sweet are sweet and edible. A lot of them are poisonous that I've studied. Another rule is rule number 9, only eating plants that you know are edible. Some parts of the plants can be toxic as other parts of the plant can be poisonous, such as tomatoes. The leaves of the tomato is very poisonous, but the fruit itself is very edible, even though some people are allergic to tomatoes. The last rule is rule number 10. Do not put a whole bunch of flowers every day in your oatmeal and your salads, in your pasta and stuff like that. Start slowly. Introduce flowers to your diet slowly. This is a new food, something new for your stomach to get used to and digest. Because if you go all through it, it is not going to end up very well unless you've done this before. I would suggest studying, talking to your doctor, and studying some more, and then decide what flowers you want to eat and not eat. Some of them have a different taste, some are bitter, some are sweet, some don't have taste at all. Some people use decorations for them on cakes, salads, pasta, even with fish. Remember common sense, and anything I have said so far, do not use it as medical advice. It is a state of opinion and ideals from my beliefs and also others out there. So remember, this is opinion, this is not medical advice, and I hope you all have a good day. Thank you.